Join me as I try out some weight loss foods that I wish I had known about sooner. Can they really help me shed those extra pounds? When it comes to weight loss, we've all heard the saying, you are what you eat. And it's true, the food you put into your body plays a huge role in whether or not you're able to reach your weight loss goals. But the thing is, knowing what to eat can be really tricky. There are so many conflicting opinions out there, and it's hard to know what's actually going to work for you. I think one of the biggest struggles people face when trying to lose weight is the misinformation that's out there about diets and healthy food choices. It's like, everyone has an opinion on what you should be eating, and it's hard to know who to trust. And then on top of that, there are all these fad diets that promise overnight results, but they're just not sustainable in the long run. I mean, who can stick to a diet that restricts entire food groups or makes you eat the same thing every day? It's just not going to work for most people. Another struggle is that a lot of people think they're making healthy food choices, but they're not actually doing their bodies any favors. Take granola for example, it's marketed as a healthy breakfast option, but most commercial granolas are loaded with added sugars and preservatives. And don't even get me started on low-fat foods, they're often packed with added salt and sugar to make up for the lack of flavor. I think what's even harder is when you're trying to eat healthy, but you're just not seeing the results you want. You're eating salad after salad, but the number on the scale just isn't budging. It's frustrating, and it makes you wonder if it's even worth it. But the thing is, you can't just give up. You have to keep trying, and you have to be willing to make changes to your diet. Okay, so let's talk about some weight loss foods that actually work. One of the most effective ones I've found is salmon. It's packed with protein, which helps keep you full, and it's also got anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce bloating. Another great one is Greek yogurt. It's high in protein, and it's also got probiotics that can help support your gut health. And then there's spinach. It's low in calories, but high in nutrients like iron and calcium. But one of the most surprising weight loss foods I've come across is cayenne pepper. I know, it sounds weird, but trust me, it's a game changer. Cayenne pepper has been shown to increase your metabolism and suppress appetite, which can lead to some serious weight loss. And the best part is, you can add it to pretty much any meal. Just sprinkle a little bit on top of your eggs or salad, and you're good to go. Another food that's been a game changer for me is green tea. It's got antioxidants that can help boost your metabolism, and it's also been shown to reduce hunger and increase fat burning. And then there's turmeric. It's got anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce bloating and improve digestion. But the one that's really surprised me is apple cider vinegar. It's got acetic acid, which can help reduce hunger and improve digestion. Incorporating these foods into your diet can make a huge difference in your weight loss journey. It's not about cutting out entire food groups or restricting yourself. It's about making healthy choices that actually work for you. Thanks for watching, guys. If you've got any favorite weight loss foods, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you want more weight loss tips, be sure to check out my video on the top 10 weight loss mistakes you're making. It's linked in the description box below.